Hello, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today I'm going to talk to you about floor mats for your new Defender, but I'm saying pretty much every Land Rover, what I'm about to say makes the most sense, especially if you're using these things off-road or in dirty conditions all the time. I've played around with a bunch of different floor mats for the new Defender, and that's what I have sitting here. I'll bring the camera in a minute and show you that mat that's had 20,000 miles on it. And right here's the genuine mat. And we're going to compare these mats and basically compare genuine floor mats across the whole line of Land Rovers. So we'll cue the intro. I'll do the mat review, and then I'll show you how to install these in the Defender. It's not that hard, but you want to be careful on one step. So intro, I'll see you back here. All right, here is the driver's mat that I've been running with. It gets discolored pretty easy, but that's going to happen on a lot of the mats. It was like stiff, but not flexible enough to lay in the floor, so the sides kept bowing, and it just felt wrong. Granted, it was dirt cheap. I think it was a third of the cost of the genuine ones, but this is going to be one of those you get what you pay for. The clip blew out here. This little clip is broken, and I just never felt good about it. I know it's stupid. I know it's a floor mat, but it's all about the driving experience, right? And when you want to be able to take them out full of mud and garbage, you don't want pieces flying off. You want it to stay together. Now let's take a look at the genuine one. Now we move on to the genuine. First thing I'd like to point out is the ridge right here. This beveled piece is designed to lay against the transmission tunnel, stop the debris from falling in it. Same thing, there's a ridge right here to keep the debris out. The mat is also flexible enough that you can fold it like so, get it out of the car, dump all the garbage out, clean it up, put it back in. And lastly, the clips. The clip design is completely different than these discount mats. This clip has a retaining circle on it to help hold the mat to the floor, and this is just relying on a few little teeth that have obviously not survived the road trips. Next up, I'm going to show you how to install these, but as you can tell just looking at them and a few key features I pointed out, this is your better value in the long run. I'm going to show you how to do the driver one. What we want to do is just slide it in like so. Super easy, as you can see, but what everybody does is they want to smash these clips on, and then you run the risk of breaking them. I like to make sure that they're aligned and just use my thumb and push it down. That simple. As you can see, it's laying nice and flush. This is going to lay here to the floor. The side's already sticking. So life is good, and I feel much better about these than the other ones. There you have it. I know floor mats are silly, trivial, but you're spending a lot of time in these cars. God knows we've all spent a ton of money on them, and I like to keep the inside of these cars super clean. This is the best mat on the market, as it should be. It is the genuine mat, and I'm going to circle back to the beginning when I said the genuine mats are relevant to all of the Land Rover models. Going back, and you stay there. Fine, I'll pay attention. He's got separation anxiety from his brother inside the car. But going back to the D1, the genuine mats are what I always ran. D2, 3, 4, 5, like all of it. And I realized that Land Rover makes some seriously good floor mats. It's silly to say out loud, but it's true. So yeah, you get what you pay for with these. If you're looking for just a cheap floor mat, you don't care, you're getting rid of the car, then yeah, grab those off of eBay. You'll be more than happy with them. But if you're invested in the car like I am, get the good ones. And on that, guys, see you on the next one.